This is my time, my life, my destiny. Dancing in the light, I'm strong.
Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to create a unique song using your own voice with the help of artificial intelligence. We will work with two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT for creating lyrics and Suno for generating music using our own voice. So let's go! Let's paste our description here and ask him to create our lyrics. So I asked him to create a verse and chorus for a song of the topic. An energetic pop song about freedom and self-expression. Let it be like this, for example. Next, to make it easier for us to follow the melody, we can take what ChatGPT gave us and paste it to Suno to create a song. Let's now go to Suno and click Create and paste here our lyrics. And here we will add the same description. Energetic pop song with freedom, something like that. Okay, and create. After generation this song, we need to record our own voice and try to sing these lyrics using dictaphone or any other service that allow us to record audio. I will not paste this process here, so it can be not very beautiful. To record my singing, I used a regular voice recorder on my iPhone and my regular microphone. It's a DJI mic. I just recorded my voice and now let's go to Suno and try to create a song from it. Okay, we need to go to Suno first, then go to Library and click here Upload an audio from my device. Choose a file and upload it. It needs some time to upload. And now we can extend it. This is a function which allows us to convert our recording into a song with music. And here let's leave our previous description and let's click Extend.
Woke up with the sun on my face. No chains, no limits, no race. Heart's beating like a drum. I'm alive, I'm young, I'm free, I've won.
Okay, that's the first option.
Oh, I'm free. Woke up with the sun on my face. No chains, no limits, no race. Heart's beating like a drum. I'm alive, I'm young, I'm free, I've won. I'm breaking through the sky. Gonna spread my wings and fly. No more holding back on me. This is my time, my life, my destiny. Dancing in the light, I'm strong.
Okay, I definitely prefer the second option better. For me, it sounds really similar to my voice. I will paste somewhere here a real video of me singing. On that video, I am only 16 years old, but you can judge if it sounds similar.
I can't believe I'm standing here. Been waiting for so many years, and today I found the queen to reign my heart.
I think Suno did his job amazingly. I'm not telling that sounds really natural, but still it sounds great for me. So that's it. We created a song using our voice with AI service Suno. For me, it sounds cool, right? Try it yourself and surprise your friends. See you soon.
I'm the fire, I'm the dream, I'm free. Dancing in the light, I'm strong. In this moment I belong. Freedom's in my soul, you see.